Hi, and welcome to another Power Product Spotlight. Today, we're going to be talking about our Optima NBR Layflat, especially our pre-fitted crimped assemblies. The NBR hose itself can be used for the general hire and dewatering industries, as well as mine site and civil construction dewatering. The hose features a black nitrile inner tube end cover and is reinforced by high-strength circular woven textile braid. It features excellent abrasion resistance, as well as a UV stabilised cover to suit the harsh Australian environment. These Layflat hoses can easily handle 10 bar of pressure. Two features exclusive to POW are all of our imported hoses are batch tested at the factory. We also feature a unique crimp bower system. The ends are firstly glued on, then a specialised machine crimps down to ensure there's no leaks and no end blow-offs. You can say goodbye to cutting hands or ripping gloves, clothes or even dam liners, as our crimped Layflats have a smooth finish as well as an excellent resistance to leaking. As always, contact your local POW branch or representative for more info.